Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start right after cleaning. Remove contaminants and use a clay bar so the guard bonds. Once done, tape off trim and work in 50-77 degrees F to control open time. Apply a small dot of paint guard to the foam applicator and spread evenly in a 2x2 panel pattern. This prevents streaks and ensures thin coverage. Make sure to use gentle overlapping passes so the film lays flat. You want consistent thin layers because thick application spoils curing and clarity. Once you've covered the first panels, continue by cross-hatching to achieve uniform thickness. You need light pressure so the product self-levels. Make sure to watch flash time closely, typically between 0.5 and 3 minutes depending on temperature and humidity, so you wait until the guard becomes tacky but not dry. Then, with a clean microfiber, level the surface using slow buffing motions to remove high edges and hazing. This step locks clarity and adhesion, so don't rush. Consistent timing avoids streaks. You finish by letting the guard cure. An initial set takes 1-4 hours and full hardness usually 24-48 hours, depending on conditions. Once tack is gone, inspect panels under good light and feel for texture. If you find thin spots, apply a thin recoat using the same 2x2 method. Make sure to avoid washing for 7 days. Troubleshooting tip: if you see uneven residue or high edges, gently wipe the area with 70% isopropyl on a microfiber before recoating to
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.